In today's video, I will be diving straight into what Bitunix is all about and how you can make the most out of it. I know many people have been asking this very question in my social media handler that, hey Joe, can you create a video explaining to us what Bitunix is all about and how we can make the most out of it? This is truly a disturbing question that is coming on almost every single day, and I think it's very important for me not to shy away from it. I need to create this content to kind of explain to you guys what Bitunix is all about and how you can make the most out of it. This is a complete Bitunix review, and this very review we're going to see exactly what is it all about and how you can make the most out of it. This video is kind of an educational video and step-by-step review about this very particular crypto exchange altogether. Please make sure you stick around and watch the video to the end, because if you leave so early, honestly there's no doubt you are going to miss the information in this video. So please make sure you stick around and watch this wonderful video to the end. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video we're going to be diving straight into what Bitunix is all about. This is a kind of a massive review about what Bitunix is all about and how you watching this video can make the most out of it. And of course, if today's the first time you're seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon, and make sure you turn on the bell for all notification in case I have a brand new video just like this one. Of course, you will be notified. Don't also forget to like and share this video with family and friends. Very important. This is Bitunix honest review, and I want you to stay close and make sure you watch this wonderful video to the end, because if you leave so early, there's no doubt you are going to miss the juice in this video. So please stick around and make sure you watch this video to the end. But of a truth, what is actually Bitunix? Bitunix is a crypto exchanger similar to Binance, Bybit, BitGet, No One's, and so on, of course. And it's also very advanced, but that is not without its also with its own pros and cons, because every business, every investment, every site have its own pros and cons. And although the cons when it comes to Bitunix is not that much, okay? So we're going to be seeing the whole thing in this video. For the time being, let's dive into my desktop where I will be sharing with you exactly let's go. If you come here, you can see I already have my Bitunix account. I logged in already, and this is my account. I logged into my account already. So this is how the simple interface of Bitunix is look. Please don't forget the link to get your account registered right now. It's 100% available in the video description below. If you use the link I provide in the description below, that simply means you will be having these bonuses, and of course I want you to be part of it. If you register with my link right now, that simply means you will be entitled to have your 5,500 USDT, although there are some specific criteria or conditions you need to meet in order to get the 5,500 USDT. Always keep that in mind, okay? Very important. So if I come here, this is how Bitunix look like. So I'll come to crypto. I want to walk you through all this stuff, and we're going to see the thing. What is it all about? Global Crypto Derivative Exchange. And that is what Bitunix is really on. Can I make money with this platform? The answer is completely yes. Making money on Bitunix, you need to pay attention to the whole thing, because I'll show you how you can do that. There's a feature here called copy trading, and you have auto invest, and you can trade cryptocurrency directly on the platform. And this is the major reason why you're watching the video, because you want to know if there's a way you can earn a living while using the Bitunix. Very important, okay? So if you come back here, I think I need to come to crypto and hover on crypto. Then I have option called P2P. I also have one here called third party. If you click on P2P, what is it really all about? P2P simply means peer-to-peer. And let's say you have a crypto you want to sell and get the amount converted to your local currency sent directly to your account, or maybe you have a local currency at hand and you want to maybe buy cryptocurrency like the USDT or BTC. This is where peer-to-peer transaction or P2P transaction come in play. Without that, it's not going to be possible. But with this option, I think it's very useful. And one thing that make me feel happy about the Bitunix altogether, because Nigerians are now accepted, because on Binance, Nigerians are no longer accepted. So I can easily run my P2P transaction live on Bitunix. And this is a kind of quick walk around video on how Bitunix is all about. This is my honest review, and you can't really invest your money on Bitunix with rest of mind. It's 100% legit and very, very safe for you to do whatever you want to do on the platform. It's highly registered and very much regulated, so I think you don't have any you shouldn't have any negative feeling about Bitunix. You can start investing right now using the link I provide in the video description below to get your account registered. Kind of makes sense altogether. Now, you can buy crypto just like I said. Also, you can sell, but there's another limitation that I see. They don't accept other currency except the USDT. This is the little limitation I see about Bitunix when it comes to P2P transaction between Bitunix and Nigerian customers. Like the Binance, or I mean, sorry, the no ones and the Binance, when it was working, you can do peer-to-peer transaction with any cryptocurrency you are having at hand. But this limitation is not that bad. This is one of the cons. It's not that bad because you can stand the chance to convert whatever you are having into USDT in order to be able to participate on the P2P transaction. Super simple. Now you can buy and sell and select payment method to be or maybe bank transfer, since we are in Nigeria. And if you want to also buy, you can also buy via bank transfer. Now here comes the pros of Bitunix. Bitunix, you can also buy crypto using credit or debit card easily from the comfort of your home without having the hassle of going one place to another in order to get your cryptocurrency loaded into your account. Now with your credit card or debit cards, you can easily buy Bitunix cryptocurrency and fund your account, and you can do whatsoever you want to do. Kind of makes sense altogether, right? So now if I come to the third party, because I want to also tell you more about the third party. The third party simply means buying it with credit card, just the way I explained earlier. So let's say you buy $100 worth of oops, sorry. If you pay $100, if you put $100 worth of from your credit card, you're going to get $100.96, almost $101, right? So you can use between your Visa card and any other card payment you can see here. There are a lot of them here, so you can select the one you're having, and then you can load cryptocurrency into your account without any problem, right? So this is good. So if I come to the marketplace, there's something here called opportunity and market. If I come to the market, so if I click on the opportunity, it's going to take me to a tab where I'll see something they call grid sentiment. Now the grid sentiment is very, very important. You should know what this indicator is all about, but this will also lead me to another video. I'll be telling you guys what grid sentiment is and how you can use it in your own advantage in order to make some money while using the Bitunix. And it's an indicator that shows grid in the market and what is it all about, and those grids are going to fall into your own advantage or to your own disadvantage. That video I'm going to explain deeper what grid is all about, the grid indicator of Bitunix is all about, and how you can make the most out of it. But this is kind of a quick walk around and review about Bitunix altogether. Okay, so if you come here, that's this, we are going to see some prices of currency pairs and all of that, what is gaining, who are gaining, the changes over the period of 24 hours, market cap, and so on. Now this up-down distribution is very, very important. You know how to use this, and you can be making good amount of money with this one, because it's like a sentiment also, right? You can see that on the JPU USDT, you can see there are more sellers, about 83% of sellers than buyers. So definitely this price is going to be pushing down while leaving you in a consistent profit, right? So there's other features here called future market and spot market. The both are good. You can pay attention, take your time to go through the whole thing and see what you need. This platform is very versatile. It's also good for beginners and professionals at the same time. And this will not be my last video, because I will be coming back to back with the brand new videos in order to help you understand how this platform is and how you make it. Now if you come back here, you can see we have the heat map. This heat map here is going to be a video for another day. What is it all about and how you can stand the chance to make it. Now this is 24 hours. You can set the heat map to 4 hours, or you can also set it to 1 hour. And then this heat map will also help you to start trading the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency in order to make money. That's very important. Okay, so if you come back here to features, you're going to see under the features there are a lot of things I think you should know about the features. You can see the same opportunity slide down here. You can see it's all about grid also. Sorry, it's like okay. Now if you can see, this is the features. aspect of the Bitunix itself. Now you can see we have the BTC USDT. This is the currency pair, and there's a volume indicator here. And now you can see order book, what buyers and sellers are doing in a given time. You can see the way the price are changing here. This is the order book. And then let's look at trade. If you click here, you're going to see the trade that are being executed every seconds. This is per seconds. Yeah, you're going to see BUSDT, and this is for DC, right? So this is the order block, and it's happening right now from this chart. You can see. Now Bitunix put it upon themselves to make sure they create something like this so people can stand a chance to use it and maybe to their own advantage and see the rate at which people are executing trade using the Bitunix platform altogether. Now, if I click on spot trading or spot, is something similar but a little bit different, as you can just buy or exchange from one cryptocurrency to another. Now, the features and spot are very close related, just that have a different market analysis altogether, right? So also you can easily buy and sell, place an order using this market order. You can see buy BTC, sell BTC. Let's assume you have BTC in your wallet and maybe you want to convert it to USDT. This can only happen. It's also part of trading. And sometimes I can have a BTC when it was down, but when I see the price of USDT rise, I can decide to sell my Bitcoin and to buy USDT in order to make profit in return. This is how simple the process is. Please always keep that in mind. Now I can easily come to the top here and click on copy trading. Now the copy trading is a new features of Bitunix, and how can anyone make money from inside this? Just like the name says, copy trading, it's simply you are going to copy professional traders in that minute. Of course, it's simple. Once you see any trade you like and you want to replicate the trade on your Bitunix account, you can easily go ahead to the copy trading portal of Bitunix and see any trader you think is doing well, and you can easily copy this trader directly into your Bitunix account, and whatsoever this trader do is going to copy directly into your own Bitunix account, and so on. So you start making money. As the trader makes money, you also make money eventually. If you come here, you can see yes, we have it. So you can copy anybody you want. Let's assume this guy in 7 days he has about 105.53% return in investment. Return on investment. You can see the graph is very smooth and exponential, right? So if you want to copy this guy, all you have to do is to click on here. But remember, you have to fund your account first before ever attempting to do that. If you don't fund your account, you click on copy, it's not going to work because your account is not funded. The link to register your account once again on Bitunix is 100% available in the video description. Don't forget. So now this is the very good thing I love about the copy trading features of it. There are lot of traders, and you can click on this pagination to go to the next page if you so desire, right? And then if you come to campaign, it's also full with reward and referrals too. All right, this is a common thing me and you know about it. So let's click on reward. Let's assume you click on reward. You can see 5,500 USDT worth of newcomer benefits are waiting. Now a newcomer, and you can stand a chance to gain to win 5,500 USDT easily into your Bitunix account, and you can withdraw it. Terms and conditions are simply applied. Okay, so now you can see other things here you need to do is to trade. They even give you conditions and so on. You can see the conditions are here. $5 features bonus, and also have $10 here, and then each, if you click on trade now, you are going to see the conditions, what is it all about, and how you can make the most out of it. But during your time, you're going to be seeing this countdown. Make sure you utilize this properly before the countdown ends. Okay, if you come here, we also have this tab called the welcome bonus, and that is what I am talking about. 5,500 worth of USDT for newcomer as a reward is waiting for you. If you can't, you can see me, I complete my registration. Okay, I complete KYC. The next thing I have to do now is to make a deposit worth of 100 USDT, complete a trade. Maybe they want me to trade because before I can easily get eligible to use the platform to get maybe the 5,500 USDT altogether. So it kind of makes sense, but maybe who knows, maybe after that they will also link you up with another task for you to complete in order to make the most out of it. But for now, this is what the platform is saying, right? So if you go to mega gift, the mega gift, I don't think there's something much about it. The mega gift is like packed with too much. There's so many risks, deposit tax, 10 USDT. Trading tax 5 USDT, trading tax again 10 USDT, trading tax. Then the trading tax is increasing based on the account balance. You can see complete feature volume $20,000 USDT. This is huge to get $5. I think so. All right. So depending on what they are saying, this is just more how much this platform is all about. Now this is a complete walkthrough about Bitunix and what is all about. It's simply a crypto exchange site like Binance, No One's, Bybit, BitGet, and so on. It's simply like that. So there's a lot of incentive when it comes to using Bitunix. I don't know what to say, but that is the truth about the whole thing. This will bring me to the end video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Link to register your account is 100% available in the video description. I will be linking another video here. I want you to make sure you watch this video. This video is very, very important. Very, very important video. Make sure you stick around and watch it to the end. Also, it's going to help you. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, I want to say bye.